Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you a holiday room spray. So I put up a recipe right now, and I also have some video out, which I have some room spray out as well. These are different blends, and also you can turn these into a diffuser oil as well if you want to, by adding these drops into your diffuser. Now, if you are going to diffuse these oils, some of these oils are not really good for pets. So also check before you diffuse any oil around your pets, especially for cats, because some of these oils, guys, are not good for cats. They will kill your cat. So just check what kind of oils are good for these environment for your animals. And also this room spray can be sprayed anywhere. These are holidays oils that are good for holidays. I mean, you can also use it during the time of year if you need to do so. So here I dropping all these drops into this container here with a little water, measuring cups with some oils. And I just want to show you how it's easy to just drop the oils into this measuring cup here, and then you can just pour it into your bottle. Also it is, yeah, because you can actually, the amount of water that can hold in your bottle. You can also, what you can do is pour the water into your bottle, and then what you can do after is pour it back into it, so you know exactly the measurement, so you don't have to do too much like I'm doing right now. The purpose of it right now is for me to just pour it back into my bottle when I'm done. And also what I'm going to be doing with this water what I'm going to be doing with this water is I'm just going to put it into my diffuser. So I don't have my cat around right now, so I can diffuse some of these oils. And if you're going to be asking where my cat is with my daughter. So he's not here, so I can diffuse some oil, and then when I know he's coming back, I am gonna open up at the place, the windows and the doors, and just let all the fresh air go outside. It's becoming spring right now, so it's okay if I open the doors. At daytime, I'm gonna be turning off the heat, and then nighttime I'll put the heat back on. Alright, so see, I drop all the oils into this water, and then I give it a good stir. As you can see where the water stopped right now, guys, right there. So hope you can see, and I hope this makes sense for you. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I hope you all watch these videos and subscribe. Appreciate it so much. I appreciate you. Have a great day, everyone, and stay tuned for the next video that's coming ahead. I think I'm gonna be putting up some more holiday sprays and diffusing, so watch out for those ones. Bye for now.